shot a duck. There's a duck in Angry Birds? It might have been a goose. Oh, look, I'm getting a really important phone call. From who? I'm not sure. Might be a butt dial. Okay, bye, Deej.
Quick thinking. Well, gotta go.
Me too. Have fun getting that phone back.